some of the flakes in there.
Fucking pine needles are rough on the ass.
Shit! Back in 2019, we spent the year building out our schoolie. After the build was done, we sold our house and traveled for a full year. Following that year of travel, we started to crave building again and getting something 4x4. We're changing up the vlog a bit this weekend because we're going camping, which means we aren't working on the van, but the van will be towing this camper. And this video will kind of be cool because a lot of you guys started subscribing to us because of the van build, so if you want to actually meet who we are and what we like to do, then come camping with us. Lance is currently getting the van ready as I do the camper, and ever since we met, we always dream team stuff like this. While I do the inside, he gets the outside ready. He's filling up the tire on the van. The gray tank in here is actually full right now, so we're gonna dump that, fill up water, and try to get out of here within an hour because it's gonna be hot, so it'll be really nice to be in the mountains this weekend. So we took the camper, dumped the gray tank on the other side because it was getting full before we head out, filled up water. Now it's time to pull out and head out. Dogs are already loaded up. I'm just gonna help Lance get out without hitting anything, then we should be good. Show you around. On the right side of camp we have our camper. On the left side of camp we have my parents' camper. This is the road coming down, which was a little sketchy, but we made it. This is apparently the hangout area. There's already a few hammocks set up, but I just released bear spray on accident in that corner, so we are staying away.
What just happened?
The bear spray dropped out of my fanny pack and loaded a bit.
Hank! His eyes are all watering.
The boys are down this way, gold mining, so let's go join them. Okay, interview with Richard Kronk. This is just going to be a few simple questions, Richard. Question number 1, how are you related to Lance and I?
I'm still trying to figure that out.
Okay.
I'm just kidding. I'm married to your mom. I'm your stepdad.
Who's your favorite camping here this weekend?
Of course you.
Okay, good answer,
Well,
good answer.
And then the dogs.
Who's your favorite? Okay, he said mom. What is the most important thing to bring camping?
Water.
Lance, what's the most important thing to bring camping?
Water. Final answer.
Alcohol. Your significant other?
What's your favorite thing to bring while camping? Food. Okay, good choice.
And toilet paper. Don't forget the toilet paper. Fucking pine needles are rough on the ass.
What's the most important thing to bring camping?
Toilet paper.
You and Richard are so much alike. What do you do when animals approach?
Run for your fucking life. No, you just stay away. You grab the dogs.
Determine if they are predator or prey.
Who's your favorite person here?
Oh, can't answer that one.
Notch, who's your favorite person here? I know you're saying me, but I know it's Dad. It's okay. It's okay. Dad's your favorite. Who's your favorite person here?
I'd have to go with Notch.
Okay.
Final answer.
What's the most important thing to bring camping? Treats. Okay, good. Okay, Maverick, who's your favorite person here? Hey. Is it the ball? That's your favorite person? Okay, I understand. That's okay.
smoked brisket,
Yeah.
some deviled egg potato salad, and then corn dip.
All made from
But the smoked brisket took 16 hours.
Today?
No, I did it a while ago.
Oh, okay. Looks
But
good.
4 camping trips, just like this.
Scene.
Last morning. Actually, not the last morning, but the last morning without packing up to leave.
Woohoo!
We're going on a hike today.
Wow. You can't see anything.
Some of the flakes in there. You want to explain it to them, Mom?
Well, I think that the heavy stuff right here that's not floating, that is the gold. Maybe we struck it rich, people.
So it was raining all last night, and to leave the camp spot we have to go up a hill, and it doesn't look too bad, but we're deciding to leave this morning rather than this afternoon in case it rains all day again today. Let's get this somewhat cleaned.
Hooked up. Hooked up. Sing a little bit. Salt that. Yum.
So I'll just stand right here.
I'm thinking probably I want to try to angle this right towards that campfire and then just straight up.
Okay.
Go, Bubba. Go, Nancy. Go. Go up. Go up. Go up. Go. Good girl.
Slow down.
Keep her going. Oh my God. Trailer almost just slid down the mountain. That was terrifying.
I'm so excited to get this motor out. Oh, it's so unhealthy for us and the motor.
And the dogs.
And the dogs.
We're headed home.
Yeah, we had it stuck in 4-wheel drive. I don't know what happened, but the shifter would not move. So I ended up just unhooking the linkage and hammering it back. So yeah, add that to the list.